Ready to ditch the text only and supercharge your Aisensy messages with visuals? First, log into your Aisensy account. You should see your main dashboard, where all your messaging magic happens. Navigate to the WhatsApp or Channels section. Wherever you manage your connected WhatsApp numbers, this will vary slightly depending on your Aisensy setup. Select the connected WhatsApp number you want to use to send your image message. Now, let's get to composing your message. You'll see the standard text input field where you type your message. Look for the Attach Image button. It usually looks like a paperclip icon or something similar. Right next to where you type, click on that. A file selection window will appear. This is where you'll choose the image you want to send. Browse your computer to find the perfect image. Select your image and click Open or Choose. Great! You should now see a preview of your image within the message. You can add a text caption above or below the image to provide context or a call to action. Something like check out our latest sale. Once you're happy with your image and caption, simply hit the send button. And there you have it. Your message with a visually appealing image is on its way, helping you connect with your audience in a more engaging way. Start using image messaging today to boost your Aisensy game.